How to turn on or turn off call waiting on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button. And from the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we then scroll down and tap on supplementary services. Next, tap on call waiting. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off call waiting on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your call settings menu, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.